everywhere. Associativity of operators. So when an expression contains two operations, they have equal priority, say into and star, or into and division. Then what to do? Because they have equal priority, there is a tie. So this tie, how to resolve it? We'll use the associativity. So it can be from left to right, it can be from right to left, right to left. So left to right associativity means the left operand must be unambiguous. Unambiguous means the value, it should not be in any sub-expression. Means it should be a single value. It will be single, it has to be single value, no expression. In the case of right to left, similarly right to left, we apply right to left when the right operand is unambiguous. That is, the number which comes, or the expression, or the value which comes, not expression, value which comes is not involved in any expression. I'll show you an example. 3 by 2 star 5. Just take this 3 by 2 star 5. See, if we take the division, this division. In this division, the left is 3, it is unambiguous, it is a proper number. But here we don't know. We don't know whether it is 2 or whether it is 2 star 5. So the left is actually unambiguous, it is clean, right is not. And if we take a star, see the left hand side, if the left hand side is unambiguous, is ambiguous actually, it's because the star, the right operand is okay, 5, it is clean, but this we don't know, it is 3 by 2 or it is 2, which we have to take, we don't know. So since this division and star, they have left to right associativity, and only this has unambiguous left operand. See, this star, division and star has left to right associativity, and this has, as we just saw, this division has left as unambiguous and it is left to right. So the operation will be left to right with division. We'll consider one more expression. See, A equal to B equal to 3. Here both the assignment operator have the same priority. This one also, this one also. So we'll see the, first of all, the both the operators. See this one. For this, the left is unambiguous, it is clean, but right we don't know whether it is B or it is B equal to 3. We don't know. For this one, we have right as clean, but left as, it can be B, it can be A equal to B. We don't know. So both these have right to left associativity. Please understand, this assignment operator has right to left. Right to means left associativity, this thing. And only the second one, this one, has the right operator, value as unambiguous. So we'll take this first. We'll take the second first. This will be applied first. Let us take one more expression. Here into and star enjoy the same priority. They have the same priority. But if you take star, left and right both are clean, no problem. If you take division, C and D, left hand side, right hand side, no problem. Anything can be taken. So both operands are ambiguous, so it depends on the compiler whether it wants to do it first or this to first. So it totally depends on the compiler what to be done first.